Rusty Johnson here with United Outdoors. We're in between hunts today here in Arkansas, and I just kind of wanted to go over a few things on the Ingwe tree stand. Some of the features it has. I'm going to put it on the tree here in just a second and stand on it and show you how much flex it's got, how much room it's got, and we'll go from there. First, I'm going to start with when you fold this thing up, your seat makes a platform right here, solid platform. You've got a hook for your backpack right here to hang on for your seat. You fold this thing out here, you can see there's multiple adjustments right here for leveling your platform. And you also have a screw right here to level your seat. Unlimited adjustment on this thing. The finish on this thing is unbelievable. I love this color. It blends in with just about everything in the woods. You got a beefy seat post here. When I hang it on the tree here in a minute, you'll see it doesn't have hardly any flex to it at all. Let's get it on the tree here. One other thing I wanted to mention before I put it on the tree is all these sides are beveled on the top and bottom. There's no sharp edges. You can rub your hand across it. It's not going to bother you with sharp edges. This here's also beveled on the side, chamfered. No sharp edges. Let's get it on the tree here and see how she sits. We'll get up here and do a little toe hook with it. Get her on there solid. I felt her go down just a little bit right there. Got her on there solid. So I wear a 9.5 size boot, and I've got plenty of room. This is the perfect size for me. Some people like bigger ones, but for me it's the perfect size. I weigh about 205 pounds. I'm about 5'10", 5'11". And you can see there's hardly any flex. I mean, there's just a touch down here on the very end, and you got just a little bit, but for the most part, there's hardly any flex. You've got ample room from the tree right here. It pulls you out from the tree where you've got plenty of room to sit straight up. That seat folds up just like so. It's really simple and quiet to adjust your seat just like that. The platform has 1/8 inch cutouts in it for traction. It doesn't make a lot of noise with your boot. It's just enough there to give you good traction so you don't slip out of the stand. But as you can see, as I'm moving around on this thing, there's hardly any flex to it. So you feel safe and sound up in the tree with this thing, and this thing blends in with just about anything in the woods. Go out and get you one, ingwegear.com. They should be available here in just a few weeks on the website. If you got any questions, holler at us. Send us a message. If you want any additional information, it'll be on the website, or you can message us directly, and we'll be happy to answer all your questions.